Welcome to part 2 of building your community through engagement. So now that you guys understand why it's so important for you guys to be engaging with your audience and with engaging in general, and the 4 strategies that we shared with you guys, now we're going to do a little bit more of the over the shoulder kind of stuff, see how we execute it. For this demo, I'm primarily going to focus on Instagram, maybe a little bit of Twitter and Facebook, and maybe some LinkedIn as well, just to add a little bit more value in terms of engaging with other people. So let's start off with Instagram, since it's the most popular platform it is. This is a theme account that I'm currently working on. I really have not paid that much attention to it, hence the amount of DMs I got. This is VP's IG. I'm just gonna like that. Okay, so let's engage with some posts, shall we? And I know I haven't been doing a great job engaging with these. So, Jesus, 38 comments. Looks like I've replied to a lot of them already. So I'm just gonna, I would not get past the first one. Ready to go, so it wouldn't just flare it out. Thanks for sharing. I agree. I think my friend's not my friend. I'm gonna say, can only imagine what going through that is like. Okay, genuine comment. Okay, this is like a easy one. Most of the time I respond thank you. So I'm just gonna do this. Fire. Okay, it doesn't have, replying to comments doesn't necessarily have to be super complicated. Do your best to respond to all the comments within the top 3 to 9 posts. Being social after posting the media. The way I'm thinking about this, and I shared this with my team last night, is these pieces of content are like your mini concert, and then after, when you engage, is like the Q&A section or the one-on-one fan photos, meet and greets that people do after the shows. So that's responding to all the comments. It just took me 5 minutes to respond to at least like to a good amount. So if you can do like your first 9, that's great. That's good. Okay, if you have an insane amount of comments, maybe the top 3 to 6. Okay, so next up is engaging with top performing hashtags. Breakdance. I know in the previous video I said engage with the top performing posts. I'm going to engage with the top recent posts, and I'm going to pick this one, obviously. Okay, turn down the volume on that. That's tight. Hand hop 90. Okay, I'm gonna say that was, oh dang, sick set, fire, and then that's it. Cool. And then that's 1 comment and like. Okay, this guy's what? B-Boy City. I just liked and commented on one of his posts. So according to the 3, 2, 1 strategy, let's like 2 more, and then let's comment on 1 more. Doesn't have to be anyone you liked. Okay, or it can be if you want it. Oh! This is my 2nd comment for this account. Now I'm going to go to the next level and liking other people's comments. See, there's a lot of like, look at these comments right here. These are such spam comments. I mean, it does help with engagement, but let's see. It was dope, right? Okay, comment on other people's stuff, like their stuff. Okay, and that's just 1 comment in one of the top posts. Okay, and I would then do this for the next post. Okay, next post here. Okay, best breaking, it's a theme account. Okay, so I'm gonna like 3, 2, 1. So we're gonna go like. Now I can comment onto it. Oh, I forgot to DM. That was my mistake. I forgot about that on the previous one. I'll do it for this one. That flow is so nasty. Cool. One more. This guy doesn't really have a lot of comments. One of the dopest out, soonest, dopest, out there. Okay. All right. Now let's do a DM. Oops. Loving what you're sharing. Keep it up. Okay. Oh no, not that one. Not prayer hands. Thumbs up. Power to them. Cool. And then let's like other people's comments as well, or respond to other people's comments if they have it, because it doesn't look like they have that much. That's another language. There we go. This one has a lot. But is that even breaking anymore? Or? Yeah, that's this comment I just ran into, definitely an interesting one. Cool, I like that one. So that's a genuine response, and then they're gonna get the notification about it, and then they're gonna probably check out my page. Okay, and then I repeat the process for the next few. Now I'm gonna move on to a recent one, so you guys just getting the idea of how I'm responding to most recent posts. So this one doesn't have the most recent posts. Don't necessarily are not gonna have that much likes or that many comments. So that also means you have the opportunity to be first to capture their attention. Cool. So this guy, yeah, right here, Razel 1. Okay, inappropriate content. So probably not gonna like anything else aside from that. Okay, so yeah, be mindful for these types of accounts. Okay, B-Boy Totoro. Okay, looks like he's got more appropriate content, so I'm gonna 3, 2, 1 this dude. Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna comment on this one. Okay. What's this doing? He's got a towel. I'm just gonna say that he's already gotten one good response. Boom, like other people's comments, A lot of comments for this one. This is what I'm talking about. Awesome colors. What? You know what I mean? So, not really. Again, there's a lot of spam comments as you guys are seeing. Okay, I already 3, 2, 1. Send this guy 1 DM. Send response. Dope stuff, my dude. Loving what you're sharing. Keep it up. Then boom, boom, and right there. So this is one of the reasons I'm just focusing on Instagram for this particular walkthrough, because it's already 20 minutes in. I've only commented with top performing hashtags. So you get the idea with the hashtags. You do it the same thing. You see this top performing post, you like it, you go to their page, 3, 2, 1 them, and then you do the same thing for the next few people. Now let's move on to engaging with relevant influencers. I'm gonna say B-Boy Gravity. I'm gonna like it. Ooh, that was dope. What was that? Actually, I'm gonna backstep him and 3, 2, 1 him. 3, like, and like. Okay, comment on this one. What's this one? Oh, look, double backflip? Cool. I responded to some other people's comments, and then I'm gonna send him a DM. He's a big time influencer. I'm just gonna say booms and 1 DM, and then you do that again for other influencers. The last thing is engaging with your followers. So you go to your followers list right here. I'm gonna pick any random person. So is this cool? 3, 2, 1 them as well. Boom, like. Is that a trick you're trying to do? Oh, that was dope. Oh, I already commented on them. I'm gonna just delete it. Post. Okay, let's do it again. Boom. Like any random like, and that's how you engage with your followers. And you do that for as many as you can for each tip. Each tip is not just like, one and done. It's really like go as deep as you can. Go allow yourself to go into that engagement rabbit hole. So I'm just gonna engage with one more, and then we're gonna move on to maybe Twitter and LinkedIn. I'm gonna try to keep those short. So pick another random lucky winner for the engagement lottery. This is a completely different language, but let's find something to like. And that is how you do engagement on Instagram. So now let's move on to other platforms such as Twitter and LinkedIn. So go over here, go to any random follower. Watch out for Twitter, because some people do post